Hello YouTube, Dion from Index Tech with the unboxing of Cooler Master Hyper TX3i, a CPU cooler that supports up to LGA 1200 by Cooler Master at a really aggressive price in the market. So this air cooler might be the big next thing for your PC, since it is a really budget-oriented product with great performance for its money, and it can easily replace your stock cooler, while its size might give some room for your memory sticks, and it can even fit to a smaller case, especially in a M.A.D tower. So let's open this box and check closely the product itself. It is true that nowadays one can find really great offers for air cooling by different brands, but I hope this will stand as a replacement to the legendary Evo line by Cooler Master, and I suppose this will have also the same performance. So opening the box, here we have a removable box. Now okay, here we have some thermal paste, and it seems that we have some pads. That is really nice. We also have some plastic fan adapters for mounting, a manual and the warranty, and that's all here. We can just have a look at this, the warranty that is written in various languages about the product. Here are all the important information on both sides. You can just find the respective language that you can read and understand. So let's check the manual now. Here we have a card, so it seems we can mount a second fan, which is nice. And here we have a leaflet. This is quite obvious how to mount and how to assemble the air cooler, and applying the thermal paste and the system with the locking mechanisms to put it on the socket and press it down in order to lock in place. Now remember, this is an Intel socket mounting system. Here we can see the fan connector, the assembly of the mounting points of the fan and where it can be placed. It seems like we have two of them. So here we have how we can install a second fan there. So let's check the CPU cooler itself now. Here we have a silica gel pad, as it seems, and let's check the air cooler itself now. Here we have it, and there's nothing else in the box. So it has this mounting system that is well known from Intel, and the fan is pre-installed, which is really nice. So this is ready to be installed on your socket with no further assembly of parts required. This is a card from the packaging. Now here we have the three copper heatsinks there on the flat surface. Do not forget to peel the sticker here before the CPU cooler is installed. We have a 92mm fan to dissipate the heat from the CPU on these nickel fins that dissipate heat from the copper. So here we have the 4-pin fan connector. Now the mounting system is not my favorite. That is the same as the stock Intel cooler, but that's my only gripe. Here we can add the fan as a future upgrade. Overall, this is easily a 5-star product. So this was the unboxing of the Cooler Master Hyper TX3i CPU cooler. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from Index Tech, thank you for watching.